blame it on me. Blame it on me. If the morning starts bad, why don't you blame it on me? If your coffee is cold and your bread isn't toast, I said, honey, just blame it on me. If your car doesn't start and we're miles apart, if the weather is cold, why don't you blame it on me? If your dress doesn't fit 'cause it's tight at the hips, I said, honey, just you blame it on me. Blame it on me. I said, blame it on me. Don't change a thing, honey, blame it on me. When you're stressed at your work and you're wanting to talk, you ain't got no time, why don't you blame it on me? When the pressure is on and you're standing alone, I said, honey, just you blame it on me. When you come home, you think something needs sewn, washing's not dry, why don't you blame it on me? When there's dust all around, peace can't be found, I said, honey, just you blame it on me. Blame it on me. I said, blame it on me. Don't change a thing, blame it on me. Oh, I'm just a guy with a twinkling eye. It's good to see you when you blame it on me. I'll give you a hug from a big ugly mug. Honey, just you blame it on me. Said, honey, just you blame it on me.